This is a miracle. Say goodbye to vertigo, lupus, fibromyalgia, arthritis, chronic fatigue, thyroid problems and much more. Human beings constantly maintain a routine of life which deteriorates their body, and that mainly happens because of our environment, too much work, food and stress. There are numerous methods present at the market which can help you improve your overall health, so if you want to have an optimal health you must use some of them. The natural ones are the best ones. Thyme is an excellent solution that can help you improve your overall health. In this article, we are going to show you some of the medicinal benefits of this plant, as well as its versatility. This plant is used in the industry by pharmaceutical factories, because of its various properties that can help you in the recovery of pathologies such as lupus, rheumatoid arthritis, fibromyalgia, and multiple sclerosis. Thyme contains minerals like potassium, iron and calcium to help you regulate the blood pressure. Other benefits you can obtain from it are, contributes to the formation of red blood cells, acts as a natural antioxidant, is used to fight dizziness, fibromyalgia, lupus, rheumatoid arthritis, multiple sclerosis, chronic fatigue, and Hashimoto's thyroiditis, is used to treat cough, bronchitis, sore throat, laryngitis and asthma etc. among other functions. If you use this plant regularly, it can be of great benefit for your organism and you'll obtain amazing results within a few days. In this video, we are going to show you some of the recipes that can help you boost your health with thyme. To prepare a drink of great medicinal power with thyme you must have these simple ingredients. A handful of thyme, fresh or dried. 1 cup of water. Preparation. Heat the water until it starts to boil, while placing a handful of thyme, previously washed, in a bowl. Subsequently pour the hot water in a container with the thyme. Leave it to rest for a while and then strain to remove the solid parts. You can sweeten the drink with honey if you want to. Drink it every day and the results will appear very soon.